air fried fish sticks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook frozen fish sticks in the air fryer. Hello, my name is Samantha, and along with my husband Dominic, who is behind the camera and also my best friend when it comes to the air fryer, we are going to show you today all about air fryer frozen food. We started using the air fryer way back in 2011, and in our first ever experience of using the air fryer, we actually cooked frozen chicken strips. Since then, our air fryer knowledge has moved on, but back in 2018, we were asked by one of our readers to try air fryer frozen French fries. We did this, and then we started a brand new trend and showing people that you can cook delicious frozen food in the air fryer. But quite often, frozen food has this kind of taboo attitude towards it. But even though frozen processed foods isn't great for you, it can still save you a lot more calories compared to serving food in the deep fat fryer. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you our frozen food recipes. Well, I have some bird's eye fish fingers that are made with cod, or if you're in America, that would be fish sticks. Whatever you call them, they're absolutely fantastic for air frying. It's quite tradition in England to have fish fingers, chips and beans for dinner, or you may prefer the hangover version, which if you visit our blog post on air fryer frozen fish sticks, you'll read, and that is the adults of England love to put them in a sandwich with a fried egg, maybe some cheese and warm bread roll, and it is delicious, I may add. Perfect for your hangover. So let's have a look inside, shall we? I recommend that you don't have any on top of each other. You want to spread them out because it's delicate breaded food, so you just end up with them stuck together and they just won't be as nice. And you want that crisp on a fish finger, don't you? My mum used to always oven bake them for me for dinner when I came home from school. And they were nice, but I can't believe how much nicer they are when they're actually cooked in the air fryer. This is because when you air fry them, they have that lovely crisp like deep fried fish fingers have. I think I might even be able to get my whole box of fish fingers in here. Let's just have a look. If I just move them about a bit. So let's see, I've only got one more to fit in. Yep, a perfect fit. So if you see here, I can fit 10 fish fingers in mine. I could probably squeeze in 11 or 12 if I positioned it better, if I had more to go at. So if you think this is the Philips Air Fryer XL, you know, if you've got a smaller air fryer, you might be limiting it to 8 or even 6. And then if you have the air fryer oven, you can completely fill your top shelf with frozen fish sticks, and they will be fantastic. So the next step, once I finish brushing the top of my air fryer, because it's amazing how many crumbs come off of fish sticks compared to other air fryer frozen food. It's like they're so delicate and so annoying the way that they all come off. You hear that sound, that's all of the breadcrumbs rattling in the bottom of the box. So let's put them on. We're aiming for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 8 minutes. Note that air fryer frozen fish sticks are rather small and long, so they don't have a long cook time, a bit like when you're doing something like chicken nuggets. They really don't need long, and any extra time is really just to make them a little bit more crispy, but they don't really need it. If you remember, you're just using flakes of cod, so it's not an effort to cook them in the air fryer. So the air fryer beeps. That must mean it's time to check on the fish sticks. Oh wow. They're a beautiful golden colour that you would normally only get if you deep fried them. You wouldn't get that normally from oven fried fish sticks. You know, you have to air fry them to get that result. And note that we haven't needed to spray them with olive oil. They come out like that naturally. There's nothing to do. You literally just frame the fish sticks in the air fryer basket, and you don't even need to turn them or shake the air fryer basket. They're just perfectly cooked and ideal for something quick for lunch or for dinner or for the kids when they come home from school. So I'm touching them now, and they really aren't that delicate. They're not going to break if I picked them up from the wrong angle. They are really well breaded. And I think you can tell the difference when you buy a branded fish sticks rather than the cheap supermarket own brand. Last time I used the supermarket own brand when we took the pictures on our air fry frozen fish sticks post, and they broke up a bit. They weren't as good as this. But it's up to you, whatever your budget is, just get what you can afford and what's best for you and your family. And as you can see, there are fish sticks, aren't they beautiful? You just got to decide what to serve them with. In this video today, we have been using our Philips Air Fryer XL. Please comment below with which air fryer you use, as it would be nice to compare notes, and ask in the comments any questions you may have about this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. Because you are here, the chances are you want to learn even more about the air fryer and become more familiar with its capabilities. We recommend that you head over to recipethis.com and search mini course, and you will find a fantastic 5-day free mini course teaching you everything you need to know to get started with the air fryer. I'll also add it in the links in the description to make it even easier for you. And it's been a pleasure to share with you one of our favourite air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes, including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.